Kira!
This is why I don't drink beer! It's too fizzy!
I've been eating carbs for a lifetime in preparation for this.
I don't think I've eaten enough carbs. I'm actually kind of worried for my liver and my sanity. I do apologise. The true me is going to come out.
You're doing Drink Roulette American Bourbon edition.
Yay! That's absolutely perfect.
They got some good bourbons.
I worried it was going to be like 7 different types of drinks, but if it's just bourbon, then bring it on.
And I always like sit on my plotter at home looking at everybody else on the Try channel doing them, and I'm so jealous. So now it's my day. This is my moment.
I've never done one
And
before.
You have you not?
Have I?
Surely.
Oh, right. That's right. I've forgotten each one.
First of all,
Yeah.
Colin, presentation, my friend.
Great
Well
job.
done.
Great work.
Last time we played, I had to be Stallone for like half an hour.
Oh God.
It was tough. Okay, here we go.
Oh, she hasn't had one sip, ladies and gentlemen. Not one.
I can smell it though. Right, well I spin first then.
Please.
Beaker. You must talk like Beaker from the Muppets until the next turn.
I never watched the Muppets.
This is him. He's like, meep, meep.
Okay.
You have to speak in any language that isn't English until the next turn.
Ah, super! Je parle français, hablo español, pequito, le arranquegue, tashishoga bra.
Imitate the sound of 10 farm animals in 30 seconds. Go.
Buck buck, gobble gobble, moo. Bah. Bah. That's a goat.
No, come on, what?
Moo. That's a bull.
Ooh. Me, me.
Did you ask?
Yeah, Vishonias. Coca-Cola.
That's a snake because they have them
A
on the farm.
snake! That's bullshit. You're not counting that.
Fuck. Meow. Cat. Ruff, ruff. Farm dog.
Come on!
A farm cat.
One more.
One more in my hole.
That's a ram. That's a ram.
That is bullshit.
We'll give it to her. We'll give it to her.
Oh my god. I still have to do that shot though.
T-Rex tantrum. You must hold your arms in close like a T-Rex for the rest of the game.
Oh god. Oh god. Who do I have to call? Oh
This
no.
is a prison phone call.
Oh, it is. So we have to keep it like this until when? So for the rest of the game.
Yeah.
Chin to the table. You have to have your chin to the table until the next turn.
J'aime ça. Talk. Oh! Hardboard, you should come on now, coming in here on my who.
Why can't you be in prison?
I think we can all agree that
Yeah.
you'd be the one in prison,
That's
Dermot.
fair. That's fair. Prison ain't so bad. I get to drink.
This is an awful start for a beginner. I am not happy with this.
Bourbon? Whiskey?
No, it's more like piss.
I kind of feel like I'm out of the crack now. I'm like, oh, what's going on? Like,
going on up
I
there?
can't see.
Kneel for an entire round.
Bow to me. Stay like that for a second so I can envision what it once will be like if someone proposes.
This has actually been a convoluted way.
Chin to the table.
Simple. Although you have to stay there until my go is over, until her next
Until
go.
her next turn.
Yeah, so you have to stay there for a while.
You have to play one-handed for the rest of the game.
Oh,
I'm just gonna stay down here.
smells so good. Sweet, sweet bourbon.
I feel very short right now.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm out of my comfort zone.
Yeah. Have you ever been short in your life?
No.
Okay, let me just adjust here. Or I have to spin it.
Cause I'm ready to go.
Woo! Sorry, I broke it.
No teeth. Can't show your teeth until the next turn.
Oh my god, I have such big teeth. What am I gonna do? I'm like a donkey. How am I supposed to laugh?
Chatter upper. Every sentence has to be a chat up line until the next.
Oh, I love it! I love it! Do I have to do it?
No, just.
Oh. I'm really interested to hear your top lines, Dermot.
Grandmaster Flash. Every sentence has to be a rap until the next turn.
Present for this. Y'all hear? What? Okay, no, stop.
That's all you need, that's all you need. Drink the beer. Drink the beer. Drink the beer. Ah! Kira!
This is why I don't drink beer.
Who knew that this would be your downfall? A Corona.
I can't go.
Much like my luck with women through most of my life, I got nothing.
That wasn't a chat up line.
Anti-chat up
That's what
line.
I'm saying. I got no shut up line.
Bring the
Bring the
rhyme,
rhyme.
bring the grime. What number am I looking for? This is sad. I'm mad, but I'm quite glad. Don't give up the day job is what I'm saying.
Bottoms up. I'd like to see your bottom up.
That's pretty good.
That is, can I tell you what that is? Because I can smell it from here.
Sure.
That's blackberry absolute vodka.
Blackcurrant, yeah.
Yeah.
Holy fuck!
You must talk like Beaker from the Muppets until your next turn.
Which one is Beaker?
Oh! I cannot laugh. Ah!
Every sentence must begin with back in my
Oh
day
no.
until the next turn.
Back in my day, that would have been a stronger shot. That was fairly weak.
Oh!
So you do a penalty shot on top of the shot you just got.
Yay!
Too many things were happening and I got confused.
Penalty
I didn't
shot.
even do my last challenge and somehow you lose.
Chin to the table. You have to have your chin on the table until the next turn.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Back in
No.
my day, I'd make the argument the chin wasn't on the
Chin
table.
was not on the table
Imitate a trier of your choice.
until the next turn.
Oh my god.
I don't want to offend anyone.
Oh, offend away. Who gives a shit?
I'll do German. This isn't even fucking bourbon.
Can I do you?
People usually do, so go on, yeah.
You sound like a turkey.
What was this? I'm sorry, what was... Hold on, I don't want to offend anyone. You sound like a fucking turkey. What the fuck?
I don't know what this is.
Hi, I'm Dermot. I'm going to do a shot.
I'm sorry, Dermot. I love you. But you're an easy target.
Can I just say, everyone does an impression of me, and none of them are alike. Are you still doing me here? Yeah. What is it, the shakes? What are the shakes about? Why are you doing that?
One-hander. You have to play one-handed for the rest of the game.
Ha!
Oh,
I'm a T-Rex, you're a one-hander, okay? This is fantastic.
it's water.
Oh, wow. Look,
Oh
you're gonna be
my.
on your ear, man. Be careful of that. That's strong H2O.
You must hold your arms in close like
That's
a
a
T-Rex
good one.
for the rest of the game.
Oh no! Not for the rest of the game.
Can I make a recommendation? Swap hands so your right one is here and your left one is there, and then you just look like that.
Oh, that's okay.
I mean, that sounds like Dermot anyway. I think it suits him.
Oh, that's a terrible idea. Way to go, Idaho. Oh!
Oh, that's divine.
Does this? I'm one-handed.
You do have another hand that doesn't need to hold a shot. Come on, I haven't seen you in years, okay? You did some bad things and I want to make sure you're okay.
It is like we're in prison, isn't it? Gotta go. I have to do a shot.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Keep writing. The kids miss you.
Every sentence has to be a chat-up line until the next turn.
Oh, I'd say you're very good at these.
I'd say you're.
I'd
very
say
good at
you
these.
used a few. I don't use chat up lines.
Do you know what I'm doing right now?
What?
I'm trying to break the ice between us. Charles, nice to meet you.
Is this how Batman talks? It smells like peach absolute vodka.
Do you
If I
know
could
that?
rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together.
That was very enjoyable.
Not as enjoyable as you. Oh my lord, that's horrible.
Are you Jamaican? Because you're Jamaican me crazy.
Oh, that was good. That was good. Okay.
Hey, we're back in the game.
We're back in the game.
Talk like Batman until the next turn.
Good one.
No problem.
Whoa. Knock knock.
Who's there?
You're a man, John, and I'll always be there for you.
Delicious.
You have to speak in third person until the next turn.
Terry loves yogurt.
No, but... but Eddie.
But Terry. Terry loves yogurt.
That's the second person. He's speaking the... Is it? Refer to yourself.
Terry loves yogurt.
No, you're not. That's not...
So you didn't mean any of them?
All of them I meant. I forgot that was the game.
You're gonna have to say a safe
I
word.
think
No,
you're
I
gonna
hate
have to,
the
yeah, we need an enforcer. I was like a baby going for a bottle. Like,
You have to speak in any language that isn't English.
I'm
until the next
so
turn.
I will speak with you in any other language.
Oh, das ist Gin und Tonic.
Kira, 3, 2, 1, go.
What the fuck is that?
It's like fucking turkey!
Okay, sorry.
Moo!
What was it? Wait.
It's a fucking duck.
Okay.
It's a horse. Lamb.
Reaching, but okay.
Dog on the farm. Meow. Cat on the farm.
That's 10.
Goat.
Well done. That
All
was.
the way up to 11 there.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Can I drink it now?
Hold your arms in close, like a T-Rex, for the rest of the game.
My mom has a really bad habit and she walks like this. Walking around the house and her arms are just like this. And then I noticed that I was doing it. Because I'm my mom's daughter, you know what I mean?
If I was a pretty fair maid,
And I could marry the man I want.
and I could marry the man I want,
I would marry a jockey.
I would marry a jockey.
For he would ride and I would ride and we would ride together. Oh, what fun we would have riding one another. You!
So guys, you can sit back normally now.
Sorry, I am doing Thriller in a T-Rex hand.
I'm fine
Do
the
not
way I am.
interrupt.
I don't need to
It's
move.
a Thriller.
Can I have my hands back?
Oh, Spaghetti Man!
Oh, you were the clear winner of that.
That's because you hate beer, though.
I don't like it.
Anyone who can go out and drink like 12 shots rather than a half a bottle of
I
beer.
just don't like beer. Every house party,
Yeah.
every wedding, every occasion, there needs to be roulette. And those, no, do you know what? There's not enough Collins to go around.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to get drunk with us, tough, you can't.
You
And,
can drink along with us.
You can, and just subscribe and hit see the bell. I can't reach it because of the
Ding-a-ling.
fucking screen.
Ding.
She's not pointing at it properly.